HR 3.0, why HR needs to evolve. Employees are somewhat disenchanted with their employer. Only 19% of employees globally perceive a strong alignment between what their employer says about itself and their actual experience working there. That's from the Randstad Employer Brand Research 2021. Only 53% of employees said that their experience with their employer during COVID has actually led them to a desire to stay with their employer. And only 19% of employees are intending to switch jobs in the first half of 2021. If that trend continues, the annual switch rate would be 38%, which is quite phenomenal. 56% of employees wanted more communication from their employer during COVID. That spells one thing, which is that employers need to up their game. Other studies also point to the same conclusion. Part of the reason is that historically HR has been at 1.0, where their primary role has been transactional. The team has been quite small and compliance, primarily focusing on compliance, ensuring contracts are compliant with employment law, and so his termination procedure. The primary software that they use is payroll, ensuring people are paid the correct amount and on time. And the employee experience is primarily of HR as being an internal police. Thankfully, HR 2.0 has gone somewhat beyond that, and it's operational. Unfortunately, there can be a tendency, especially with large organizations, for there to be multiple HR teams, each dealing with a specific aspect: pension, reward and benefit, recruitment, and learning and development. They're siloed from the business, and worst case, they're actually also siloed from each other. In part, the HR 2.0 has been trying to smooth the operations by giving the employees a better experience in terms of getting and collecting the data. And there are lots of implementations underway, typically Workday, HiBob, Bamboo HR, all pretty good in terms of employee experience, but very limited in terms of actual data that comes to the employer, limited dashboards, simple visualizations, but no real stunning insights. The experience still can be quite disjointed as there are multiple HR teams, and worst case, bureaucratic if the systems have not been implemented properly. So what is HR 3.0? It's actually strategic, and now the HR function is actually embedded within the organization. It's using a product such as HRClarity.ai, which is able to pull together all of the information about all employees that are sitting not only on HR systems, but financial, operational, commercial systems, to create a single employee view, predictive models, do employee segmentation, and provide those deep analytics, which will allow you to be much more effective at talent management, and also figuring out what a particular employee segment values and tailoring the offering for that, and doing all kinds of forecasting and scenario-based work, which allows you, if you do it properly, to ultimately result in an experience where the employees are saying that my employer, they understand me, my needs, and they care. Thank you for watching this video. Do leave any comments about what you've heard today and any experiences that you have on this matter. Click the like and the subscribe button, and there's more information on HRClarity.ai.